呢個係必列者士街。This is the Bridges Street. And here is a little sign here. Manmo Temple 文武廟 Hollywood Road 荷里活道古董街。咁呢個香港醫學博物館 Museum of Medical Sciences。香港新聞博覽館 Hong Kong News Expo。And the Taiping Shan Street is down there.咁呢個叫水池巷啊。水池巷 ，This is Tank Lane. But 我會完成咗呢個必列者士街先嘅。呢個非常之有趣嘅一個建築物，而家係中華基督教青年會嚟嘅喎。咁有人影緊婚紗相。呢頭都有唔少嘅學校喎。必列者士街會所 ，This is the YMCA Bridges Street Centre。呢度呢有個基督教嘅教堂。This is a Christian church。如果冇估錯，呢個應該係樓梯街嚟嘅。I'm not too sure, but I think this is the Stairs Street. Anyway， 繼續行啦。呢度有間幼稚園。This is a kindergarten。呢個係英皇書院同學會小學。This is the King's College Old Boys Association Primary School。咁望多次個校舍先。So that is the school I've just mentioned. Actually, this association has got two schools. The other one is called the second school. I'm not too sure, but I believe in the past all primary school in Hong Kong, they have two sessions, the AM sessions, the morning session, and the PM session, the afternoon session. 咁啊，以前有分上下晝班嘅。咁我估咧，上晝班就去咗剛才間學校，咁啊，另外下晝班咧就去二校嘅。And so that I guess the morning session stayed in this school, and then the PM class were transferred to another school. 香港新聞博覽館 This is the Hong Kong News Expo, but it is closed due to COVID. 咁啊，不過就唔開啦而家，因為疫情嘅關係。啊，呢度有張凳仔都幾得意喎。呢個叫城隍街啊，城隍街 Sheung Wan Street， 咁唔知有冇城孔街嘅呢？呢個係 PMQ，This is PMQ。 It used to be a police hostel, but it has been reconstructed and now become sort of a shopping mall, especially for art and design. 咁啊，呢度同孫中山有啲關係啦。So this is PMQ.好啦，繼續行啦。I think this is the Aberdeen Street. 呢個應該係鴨巴甸街啦。And this is the Soho. 咁呢個係 Soho 啦。好啦，咁啊，呢段片呢就嚟到呢度先。咁我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。So this is the end of this video. But before that, let me confirm this is the end of the road. Yes, it is. 咁啊，繼續行嘅話咧，呢度就係史丹頓街㗎啦。That's the Stanton Street. Is that how we pronounce this word? And here is Soho. 好啦，咁我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。So see you in the next video. Bye bye.